Sweetie Pie, and welcome back again. Okay, this is February's monthly haul. And if you're asking why it's coming to you probably on like the 16th or 17th of March, is because I accidentally deleted some of the footage. So yeah, exit out of that. Hi, my name's Sweetie Pie. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do my February monthly haul for you guys and talk about all the amazing things that I got in February, because February was an awesome month. There was a lot of palettes, and I haven't really bought a whole lot in March because there was so much to go through in February. So if you would like to see what I purchased and hear a little bit about it, because I have had a lot of time with these products now. Most of them I've tried. There are still a few things that I haven't touched, but I will get to those things. So let's get into this video. So yeah, guys, let's dive in. Also, I always forget, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, we will just get into this really fast. Let's go through some of the like winners purchases that I picked up, because there were a few. I was able to go to Winners at the beginning of February, and then we went on like another lockdown, and now I think they're open again right now. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure our Winners that's closest to me is open now, but I could be wrong. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, first thing that I picked up was this. This is the Patrick. Let's just do a close-up first. This is the Baby It's Gold Outside Mineralized Skin Finish. Now, in the beginning when I got this, I was like, I have no idea what I am going to do with this, because it is pretty shimmery. Like, it is a very shimmery powder, but if you're looking for like a really glowy bronzer, this could probably work. Now, chances are you can't even get this in stores anymore, but I wanted to try something out from MAC, and I wanted to try one of their mineralized skin finishes. This is very pretty. It's an all right highlighter, but I kind of like it better like right here and kind of up by the temples. I don't know. It was probably a dumb purchase, but it's nice. It's huge though. Like, it's huge. I'm never going to use all of this. Like, I'm going to end up giving that to like one of the girls at work for sure. I can see that coming. But when you get into, I will say that when you get into Winners after not being there for a while, I tend to like lose my head a little bit. So yeah, that's the reasoning for this. Another thing I ended up picking up was the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Blush in Sunset. I had another one of these. This is actually really pretty. And I couldn't remember if I picked up this one or another one that I have. It was definitely one of them. But regardless, I got this blush. This is actually really pretty, although the highlight, not all that pretty. Like, the blush is definitely, because it's like this beautiful orangey tone, and it was called Sunset, a bright golden coral. Had to get that. Orange is like super ragey right now. Another kind of silly purchase, but in my defense, it was $4. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter set that they did a Christmas ago. Ooh, it could have been 2020 Christmas. I couldn't pass it up for $4. I seriously like could not pass it up. I have used this one, which is Sunset Aura, the pink one, as an eyeshadow. It is really pretty. I'm going to try and get some on my hand so I don't even know. You could probably pick this up. It was a really pretty eyeshadow, like a really, really, really pretty eyeshadow. So, you know, for $4, whatever. you know. I also got a little Marc Jacobs kit that was super cheap, and it actually came with one of their highliner pens. This is in Mist Me, and it is like this bright purple. I'm actually wearing it today as well with a ColourPop one, but it also came like with their little Marc Jacobs highlighter in Do You. This is really pretty. I've used that as a base a couple times. And then I also got the Tantric bronzer, and I've used this quite a bit actually. This is really pretty, and I'm happy I was able to get this. This is the Omega Bronze, yeah, in Tantric. And this is a really pretty bronzer. I have been using the crap out of this. I don't know if you can still get this. I think you can get it on Sephora right now on sale if they still have it in stock. I don't know, it's huge, but I'm gonna continue using it because it's not a super dark bronzer, and right now I am not tan. Not tan. Another little thing, okay, so I ordered some stuff from Sephora, and I got a sample of the One Size. This is his Ultimate Setting Powder. I'm using this for like 2 or 3 days now, and I really like this powder. It sets beautifully. It doesn't seem to get really cakey or, you know, like sit in my fine lines or anything. I am wearing it today, if you can notice under these brighter lights. I don't know, it's not enough for me to buy a full size because there's a ton of powder in here. Probably will get bored of it before this little container is done, but it seemed to be pretty good actually. Another little thing that I got, and I've got two more single products, and then I've got some palettes. I know, God. Anyway, this is pretty good. They came out with an e.l.f. display, and I picked this up first. This is the Hydrating Core Lip Shine. Cutest little thing ever. Has a little heart in it that's clear, and this actually gives off like quite a bit of color, and it's still really nice though. So definitely, if you're gonna pick up one of these like Hydrating Core lip shines, the color is pretty prominent there. So now I have orange lips and purple eyes. I hope you enjoy that. Okay, so I got to purchase, and this is where we're getting to the good stuff, okay? So stay tuned for the good stuff. I got some stuff off of Beauty Bay. That was the first time I had ever purchased from them, and it was a tiny bit of a nightmare. I paid for customs, and it was also pretty late getting to me. They did refund me my shipping, which I thought was great, but the postal service here I did not realize is as bad with some companies as it is. Other companies, you know, it goes through, everything's great and wonderful. Either way, I got some stuff off Beauty Bay, and one of the things I picked up was actually the Nabla Skin Glazing in Truth. These are so pretty, guys. At first, I wasn't sure how I felt about it, and then I just started to use it, and I really started to like get my brush in there. There is a lot of pigment in here. This seems really like high shine, and as much as it is, there's also a lot of pigment in here, and the tone is so pretty. I love this so much. Would I get another one? Probably not, just because how many, you know, glowy blushes do you need? But this is really pretty, and I love the embossing. It's nice. I like it. It is really pretty. I'm very happy that I like it because it was a little bit expensive for me living in Canada. All right, I got to purchase some stuff from Kaleidos Makeup, and something that I ended up purchasing is their Space Age Prophecy highlighter, and my video of this and the Club Nebula palette is already up on my channel as we speak, so you can go and look at that if you want to see swatches of this. Absolutely, like, the light is going to wash this out completely. Let's just do a little swatch. Oh, it's just so amazing. I'm so sorry that the light is washing this out so much. But yeah, if you want to see better swatches of this, I put this on my cheeks in that video. I will try and put that in a little eye up here if I can remember. Hopefully I can remember. All right, and then as well as I just showed you, I got the Angelica Nyquist Kaleidos Club Nebula palette. My gosh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love this palette. It's so pretty and so special. Some of the shades in here are so special and so beautiful. I thoroughly enjoyed this palette and I am continuing to use it. There is a palette in here that I've been using this week and that I did use today that I've also been really loving, but this is a gem. This is a gem. If you are, especially if you're into her type of makeup, honestly, I really love her and she's like been one of my favorite YouTubers recently, so I had to get my hands on this. But if you really love darker matte, these are so pigmented. They're so beautiful. They blend nicely. Their shimmery like duochrome shades are special. So yeah, if you'd like to see swatches and whatnot, you can definitely go check that out on my channel. And let's get on with the rest of this. So I did place an order at Sephora and I got 3 different things. Two things I haven't used or touched, and 1 thing I have already done my review on, and it should be on my channel momentarily, and that is of the Naked Urban Decay Wild West palette. I will tell you this right now, that I do like this palette more than I liked the Ultraviolet palette. That palette was a hot mess, and that's just the truth. That palette was a bit of a hot mess, and I like, why do they do quality like this and quality like that? Those shimmers were so crumbly, like, yeah. I also got my hands on the Amorisi and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I have not even touched it. I have been playing with some of the stuff that I got from Beauty Bay, and I just have not had time to play with this yet. Neither have I had time to play with this. This is the Cheek Stars Reunion Tour by Benefit. I think I still have the, yep, I have the plastic in there. And it looks like this. I have always wanted one of these Benefit kit palettes that they do, and when this one went on sale, I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna buy this one. It has one of their like beautiful highlighters, Cookie. It has Sugar Bomb and Hoola Bronzer, Dallas, and the Georgia Blush. So I'm interested in trying these out. I just haven't really dug in too much. One more little thing that I wanted to talk about before I dove into the other, I have 2 more palettes that I bought from Beauty Bay, and this little thing here. This is the Quo Beauty palette. Now, Quo is a brand that you get from Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada. If you have Shoppers Drug Mart, they have a brand called Quo. This was their holiday release, and I totally thought it was so pretty when I first saw it. I didn't get it because it was like $18, something like that, and they had all of their holiday stuff on sale, so I picked this one up. These are so pretty. I've been using these for about a week now, and they're beautiful. I've really had no problem blending them. I really love the little, you know, cute little embossing on them, and I think I got it for like $9. So I got the Nabla blush, and then I also got this, and I haven't even really touched this. I feel bad because I haven't dove into this at all yet, really. This is the Ofra Glow Up palette, and I swatched it for my Instagram, and I haven't really worn it at all yet. So excited to use it though. So I am gonna dive into this soon. I've been a little preoccupied with some stuff. Anyway, last but not least, I picked up the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 palette. This is beautiful. I have been spending so much time with this palette. This is so pretty, and like literally it is like a heaven for me, because literally half of the palette is reds and purples. Like, I've been in heaven. I literally used it today on my eyes, as well as a pigment from Davina Cosmetics. I used one of their pigments. I cannot remember. It's from their God, I have it here. Oh, there it is. I have all of them in a Z palette, all of my indie shadows, and I used this one. This is Runts from Davina, and that's what's all in my inner corner and whatnot. So freaking pretty. Indie shadows, amazing. But I also have been absolutely loving this palette. There's everything you could possibly ever need. It's a rainbow fantasy. And if you guys would like to see something with this, let me know. I know it's not brand new, so I wasn't rushing to do anything on it, but let me know. And yeah, I would be happy to do like a couple looks or like, I don't know, a swatch fest, something. Let me know. Anyway, I love you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, safe day, night, evening, whatever. I love these freaking earrings. Like, I found them at Goodwill. I found another pair too. Oh my gosh. Oh, see, this is what happens. See? Like, oh my gosh, so cute. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. Safe, happy, healthy, and hopefully, you know, trying to have a normal day. Mwah. Bye, guys.